Everyone, welcome to Rayat Online School Education. Today we are going to study subject Geography, Standard 9th, lesson number 10, Urbanization. Students, in previous video we learned about factors contributing to urbanization. Today we are going to study about effects of urbanization. See, because of urbanization, the characteristic of a region change largely. Means the character of a region change due to urbanization. Change in the use of land from agriculture to industries and residential use take place due to urbanization. Means we can experience the difference in the land use. For example, the land under agriculture is now under industries, or that land is used for residential purpose. While there are many advantages of urbanization, some problems are also arise due to urbanization. So first we will study about what are the advantages of urbanization. See, first is the social harmony. There is an increase in secondary, tertiary, quaternary occupations with urbanization. Means so due to increase in the secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations, economic activities increases. Means due to this secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations are increased in the urban area, and economic activities are also increases. Means in the rural areas primary occupations are carried out, whereas in the urban area secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations are carried out, and in this way economic activities are also increased. Culture and the social customs and traditions are exchanged as the people from different parts live together in the cities, and this creates the social harmony. Means you can see many religion people are live together and they share their knowledge and live together and enjoy together. So this is known as the social harmony. Means this creates the social harmony. You are watching TV show, that is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, how the different religions people are live together and enjoying the different traditions, custom and the festivals. See, next point is given modernization. In cities, people from different areas migrate. Their wisdom, skill and knowledge is exchanged easily. Means exchange of the wisdom, skills and the knowledge between people from different areas take place in the cities. And these are the first to get advantage of updated knowledge and literature. We can see new projects related to industries and the business coming up here. Urban settlements get an advantage of new ideas, updated technologies and technological facilities. Therefore, as a result, standard of living of life people improves. Means urban areas get advantage of the new ideas, update technologies and the technical facilities, and in this way the standard of people, a living style of a people improves. See, next is the amenities and facilities. Various amenities and facilities develop in urban areas because of urbanization. Means amenities and the facilities like transportation, communication, educational and medical develop in the urban areas. Means transportation facilities, metros are there, buses are there, other facilities are also developed. Communication, educational, different schools are there, colleges are there, big institutes are there, and medical facilities, fire brigade etc are important, and these all the facilities are mainly improved in the urban areas. Because of good transportational facilities, journey becomes easier. Its a positive effect is also seen on the freight transport, market, trade etc. Means different facilities are available in the urban area. Many patients and their families came to urban areas to avail of well developed medical facilities, and many students also come into the urban area to higher to get knowledge, yeah, education, higher to acquire higher education. See, next is given about problems of urbanization. See, first problem is slums. Means because of urbanization, the population in cities increases rapidly. Means because of the urbanization, people from surrounding area migrate to the urban area, and in this way population in cities increases rapidly, but the housing facilities do not increase in the same proportion as the population. Means here the housing facilities do not increase in the same proportion as the population is increases, and most migrants are poor and cannot afford housing in the cities, so they build temporary and semi-structured houses which are mostly illegal in open space, and they do not get the basic facilities from the local government. Means that is, the density of the houses is very high, and these slums keep on the increasing uncontrollably and give rise to the social and many health related issues. You can take the example of the Dharavi slum. Yeah, in Pune also many slum areas are there. So means how the due to urbanization the population of the urban area is the increases, and these people come from the very poor family. Yeah, their financial condition is not good. Yeah, weak is there, and these people cannot afford the houses. So these people are start living in the open space. See, this is totally illegal. So these people are not get the government facilities also. Next is given traffic jams. As cities grow, people start living in the outskirts and the suburb of the city. People commute from the suburb to the center of the city for business and industries, trade, jobs, education, etc. Public transport system is not sufficient, and hence the number of private vehicles increases. In the urban area, traffic jam is also main problem because population is very high of the urban areas, and public transportation system is not sufficient according to the population proportion. So private vehicles are increases on the, yeah, the increase in the number of vehicles leads to the increase in the travel time and the traffic jams. Next is given, you can see how is it shown in the picture. Next you can see the pollution. See, pollution is a major problem in the cities. Means you know that in the urban area, due to the high population, here water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, this type of pollution is seen in the urban area, and it has adverse effect on urban life. Air pollution, noise pollution and water pollution are clearly visible. Increase in the development of cities, paucity of facilities and the breaking of laws makes pollution is a big problem. And as cities grow, pollution also increases. Means here population is high and pollution is also increases. Means here water pollution, noise pollution and the air pollution are visible in the cities, and these type of problems are faced by the many people. You can see as the pictures are shown here. First air pollution, second is also air pollution, and third is the water pollution. Sin last point is problems of urbanization is crime. Means the people who have migrated people do not always find employment in the cities. Means due to the urbanization, number of people are migrate from the surrounding area, and not all migrants find employment in cities. Some of them look for means to earn money by illegal ways. Means some of them took look for means to earn money through illegal ways. This leads to an increase in the crime rate of the cities. Thefts, burglaries, curbs, and the murders are the crimes and that happen in the cities. This leads to the serious law and order issues, bringing pressure on the police and the judicial system. Means this creates the serious law and the order problems, bringing pressure on the police as well as judicial system. Beside the above problems, enormous increase in land price. Means you know that in the urban area, 1 gunta is for 40 lakh, yeah, 50 lakh price is there. Means due to urbanization how the land price is the increases, and in the urban area there is the conflict between the various group, yeah, politically or religious groups are there, and etc. It creates this tension in the tension in the cities. Means the enormous increase in the land price, then conflicts and the tension, then between these various groups, then that threaten social harmony in the cities. These are the problems faced by due to the urban areas. Means which are the problems we have seen: slums, traffic jam, pollution, crime, and other problems are there, like land price, yeah, conflicts, yeah, tensions, yeah, religious groups are also there, and it also disturb the social harmony in the cities. Thank you.